Oh, shoot.
Welcome back to another episode of How We Do It. Let's see what we got today. Got some wings. Wings are out, all washed up. Now we're gonna separate the flats from the drumettes. Alright, you should find like a little joint thing right here, right in this little section right there. Come through with your knife, straight down. You got your drumette. Take off that tip. You got your flat. Do another one. Drumette. Flat. There's a couple of ways that I like to do my wings, but for this episode I like to poke holes in them, right, and then season it on both sides. The mixture right here, we got lemon pepper, garlic powder, salt, Southwest seasoning, and some other funky stuff, you know what I'm saying? For the drumettes, same thing. Poke a couple holes in them, season them up. After you got your wings all seasoned up, throw them back in the fridge. Now, for me personally, on how we do it, I like to let them sit overnight. But if you ain't got that much time, 3 or 4 hours is cool. Alright, it's the next day. Wings are out. We're gonna put them in the oven at 380 degrees for 15 minutes. And then we're gonna flip them over for another 15 minutes. And then we're gonna pull them out and let them rest. While those wings are in the oven, made some clarified butter. You see it right there, the liquid gold. If you don't know, clarified butter is when you take the milk solids out the butter and you just have straight liquid gold. Wings are out the oven. We gotta let them cool down for about 15 minutes. Then we're gonna bread them up, send them over to the fryer. I got my wings out the fryer. I'm gonna drop them in this clarified butter. Put some lemon juice, lemon zest, some lemon pepper. You know what I'm saying? Give it a little mixy mix. Pull them out, let them drain. Now if you want it extra nice, hit it with the double dip. You see it? The lemon pepper boys. Stay tuned.